Today's GitHub of the day is called ListMonk, and it comes to replace MailChimp. Now, the funny thing here is that it's completely free, but ListMonk is like a play on words because monk is like chimp and list is like mail. So instead of MailChimp, you've got ListMonk. So it's pretty funny, but basically it's got 19,000 GitHub stars, as you can see over here. And when we click on the details, we can compare the differences between using ListMonk, which is an open source GitHub over here, as you can see, which you can download and use for free, versus MailChimp, which wants to charge you $350 per month for just having 100,000 contacts. Now with this ListMonk, you could literally handle millions of subscribers completely for free, and the cost is only for a VPS. You're going to need a VPS to host this if it's going to be online. You could actually probably use it offline, just leave your computer on all the time if you think about it. Just run it locally, do you know what I mean? Fast, go binary, very lightweight, full bounce, unsubscribe handling. It's got everything that you would have with MailChimp, multi-list and segmentation. Save this video so you never forget how to get a free MailChimp alternative, which is local on GitHub. Now, the key differences are as follows. ListMonk is a raw sending engine. It needs an SMTP or SCS setup. Whatever that means, you guys need to figure that out if you're into this. And the last thing I want to show you is some screenshots. I don't want to leave you without any screenshots. So sadly, I can't find any, but if I see one over here, this is how it looks inside. As you can see, this is the image. It looks like a pretty standard email for newsletters, and you could download it by binary, as you can see here, and Docker as well. You can run it on Docker, and there are more ways of doing it. It's got analytics, templates, performance. It tells you how many emails were opened, and many more. So make sure you, first of all, you have to follow me because I'm about to show you more of these. There's much more open source things that you probably don't know about. If you follow me, you'll know about it. And in tomorrow's GitHub of the day, we're going to be looking at Documenso, which is basically a GitHub that allows you to, like DocuSign, which allows you to have an e-signature platform locally, which basically means that you don't have to pay DocuSign $15 a month. We're going to go into more details tomorrow, so follow so you don't miss that. And tomorrow we're going to go into that one. For those of you who missed yesterday's episode of GitHub of the Day, we looked at TTS, which is the ability to clone your voice locally using a GitHub, which is free, completely free to download. Clone any voice from a 6-second clip in 17 languages, unlimited, local, free, 100% local. Your voice, guys, your voice. You just type text and you get an MP3 of your voice. Follow for more.